Hello, and welcome to this TaxCalc training video. In this video, we'll be looking at dashboards, which are on the home screen within the software. We'll also see how to create tasks and update existing task records. This is the launcher, the standard view when you open TaxCalc. Here, you have all the applications on one screen. You can switch to the dashboard view from the bottom right-hand corner here. Click on this, and we have a blank page with the applications on the left-hand side. There are various widgets to show you critical information for your practice. Click on Add Widgets now. Here are a few suggestions for using widgets and how some of our customers are using them now. Here we have the task widgets. Tasks assigned to me shows you your upcoming tasks. To add more widgets, simply click on the Add Widgets button in the top right-hand corner of the dashboard screen. We're going to add two more widgets. Let's add the client counter to show us how many clients are in the database, and then the filing status. There are many more widgets available. You can also move widgets around by highlighting them and then dragging them across the screen. You can edit widgets by clicking on the arrow here to view the drop-down menu. Within the edit function, you can increase the height of the widget, in this case, to see a longer list of tasks. A key feature is the ability to open a specific job. For example, if you have a tax return or annual accounts job, you simply highlight the task, click on Open Work, and you'll go straight to that work. Let's create a new task. To do this, we need to go back to the dashboard. You can navigate to the Work Management module through the link at the bottom right of the Tasks Assigned to Me widget. This screen shows all your current jobs and tasks in date order by default. You can search for tasks by clicking the Filter button on the top left-hand side. Search filters include the client contact, assignee, or work type, etc. This task is overdue and highlighted in red. Other tasks that are coming up in the next few weeks or months are listed below. You can also view tasks that have been completed which are hidden by default. Click here to show the completed tasks. We can also add and remove specific columns by right-clicking on the headings. You can click into a specific client by clicking the client's name in the client column here. This will take you to the client screen. To create a new task, simply click the Create button on the left-hand side. Let's create a task for a tax return due. You'll need to select the activity type, which in this example is tax return. Then enter a task name and description. For example, Tax Return 2020 under Task Name. For the description, Tax Return 2020 due to send out to the client. You can assign this to anyone here, and the due date will be automatically selected. Let's set the due date for the 31st of August 2020, midday. Then click on Continue. In the Reminder section, we can set a reminder which will appear in the Notifications tab. Let's set a reminder to remind me a week before the task deadline resets. We can untick the reminder for start date if this isn't required, and then click Continue. In the Recurrence section, we're able to set the task to recur daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, or yearly. You can also set the number of instances for the task to recur. For this task, we'll leave it as indefinite. We can set a specific client or contact to associate with the task. If you don't want to associate the task with a specific client, then simply click No here. Let's select the individual to associate with the task. The next option associates the task with a work item. You can create a new return from here if you haven't done so already, or click the option here to associate the task with a tax return period. In this section, you can assign the relevant service to the task and select Fixed Fee or Charge Out. The expected fee will be automatically entered according to the fee basis. Finally, you're taken to a summary screen, where you can check through the tasks you've created. Anything incomplete will be flagged, just like other check and finish screens throughout the software. Now we can click Finish. The task has been added to the table, and this icon shows the task is associated with the return. You can view the linked work from the left-hand side here, which also takes you into that accounting period. The icon displayed in the top right-hand corner shows that this return is linked to a specific task. You can also manage or view the tasks and jobs for this client. Click the cog icon, then click View Work for this client, and either edit, update, or view history. These update automatically within Task Management. This has been a quick introduction to dashboards and tasks. If you have any questions or want to find out more, please go to our knowledge base or contact our support team. To view other videos on the TaxCalc software, click the links above and below. Thank you.